Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. On this video, we will be learning how to permanently delete your WhatsApp account.
Before starting the tutorial, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for notification.
Now, to permanently delete your WhatsApp account, first of all tap upon WhatsApp app on your phone. On the home page of the WhatsApp, on the top right corner, you can see three vertical dots. Tap on the dot and tap on settings option. Here, tap on your account option. And at the bottom, you can see delete my account option. Tap on delete my account. Now you can see the option to change your number instead if you don't want to delete your account, or confirm your phone number to delete your account. Tap on delete my account. Select the reason why you want to delete your account. If you want to give some suggestions, you can type it here and tap on delete my account at the bottom of the page. Tap on delete account. Again, tap on delete account to proceed to delete your account. Your account is being deleted. Your WhatsApp account has been successfully deleted. I hope this video helped you learn how to delete your WhatsApp account. Do like and leave a comment on the comment box. Thank you.